Hey guys, it's me Sylvia, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am going to give my boyfriend my credit card with up to a $1,000 limit to make me a mystery box. Woo. All I know is he better keep the receipts. I'm sure he'll get some good stuff. We did this on his channel. It's actually a lot of fun. I picked out the stuff and made him the mystery box.
Today she's gonna be making a mystery box for me.
So now the tables are turned and I'll get to do the unboxing. So let me give him my wallet. Yes, I still have my Christmas tree up. Don't judge me, okay? I win biggest procrastinator award. It's fine. It's so tall though, like such a big job to take it down. It's way less fun taking it down than it is putting it up. As long as there's snow on the ground though, like I'm fine, right? That's my rule. Anyways, here is my wallet. You got this.
I'll need this. You don't know what I'm gonna buy. I'm buying myself another PS5.
No.
I might buy the dog some Gucci bracelets. I have the power.
Listen here, honey. So $1,000 for me. You can spend all of it, or you know, if you don't get up to that amount, I won't be mad either.
I might just save a bit of money because I'll feel bad spending $1,000.
Unless you really find some good stuff that you're like, oh, she needs this, she'll love it, then you can spend $1,000.
I have something in mind. I have something expensive in mind that I've been knowing somebody needs, so.
I'm nervous but excited. Okay, well,
I'm out.
Don't go too crazy. So he's probably gonna take a while. I'm gonna do my makeup. We're gonna chit chat and hang out a little bit and just hope that he doesn't get anything too horrible. Fingers crossed. So first I want to thank BetterHelp for sponsoring today's video. So BetterHelp is an online professional counseling service. They assess your needs and they match you up with a professional therapist. So if you feel like there's something interfering with your happiness or preventing you from achieving your goals in any way, this is definitely something that's worth exploring. I know in these times it can feel especially hard to cope with life stresses, like no matter how big or small you feel like they might be. I know I used to think that counseling was like, you know, something that maybe I didn't need because I have such a supportive friend group and supportive family. But I also sometimes felt like a burden when I was venting to them. You know, everyone has their own lives, so I hated feeling like that. And I feel like counseling, regardless, is just something that gives you help from an outside perspective, somebody that actually has professional experience in helping you. And that just makes the world of difference. And the fact that this is online, I think is great. You can also set up FaceTime calls, phone calls, whatever really like suits you. And it is more affordable than traditional counseling, and there's financial aid available if you need it. But they gave me a 10% off for you guys as well for your first month. So you can go to betterhelp.com/Sylvia to get that 10% off. It's BetterHelp, H-E-L-P. I support this service 100%. Counseling is just something that everyone can benefit from. And really, I feel like therapy is just investing in yourself, like in your mind. You know, you go to the gym to work out, take care of your body, but you gotta like also take care of your mind. And this is something that's really resonated with me only in like the past couple years, and I feel like I'm so mad for not realizing it sooner. But like, yes, self-growth, yes, Sylvia's getting older and wiser. The link will also be in the description for you guys. Check it out. Take charge of your mental health. Like, we all need to be living a happier life. We also all need to be looking less tired, so I'm going in with concealer. Let's check in on how Charlie's doing.
Yes, sir. I feel like I'm shopping for someone on Christmas when they have everything and you don't know what to get them. Literally, I have no idea what to get Sylvia. Like, bro, anything from this to hair dye. We got a lot of looking to do.
I low-key need an iPhone charger. I hope he gets me one.
Ooh, not bad. Why is this $12? Or the Girl Boss hair clips. I have to get one of these. They're all nice. Oh my God, makeup and stuff like that is expensive.
Now accepting volunteers to help me take my Christmas tree down. Anybody? No?
Saying the face masks are on sale? Oh, come on, bro. This is a steal. Coconut butter scrub, that's her favorite one. I saw it in the shower when I was taking a shower the other day. We're running low. You gotta think about these things.
I hope he gets me some candy or food.
I'm in the makeup section now. There is choices on choices on choices. This could either go really well or really bad. Literally, she has everything. I don't know what is the difference between anything. So wish me luck, guys. I've always wanted to get something from here. Sylvia loves Starbucks.
So we have the mystery box, finally. I'm excited. His cute little drawings on it like that. The hearts, the stars. Come on.
I'm not good at drawing.
I know. That's the cutest part.
Take it out one at a time.
I will. I'm not gonna look. I'm excited. This is like better than Christmas. Okay, first thing. Oh, it's a stuffy. It's so soft. I don't sleep without a stuffy. I'm exposing myself right now, but they're just so soft and comfy, and it's like better than a pillow. It just, you know?
It's not a stuffy, it's a stuffed animal.
Stuffed animal, same thing.
Who calls them stuffies?
Everybody
What should I call him? I shall call him Floppy, and he shall be my Floppy. Oh, a Starbucks tumbler? Ooh, it's like mermaid scales on it. It's like iridescent. It looks holographic. I've been drinking a lot of water because my Accutane, so I'll use this for that. Why am I actually impressed? For your mystery box, I got most of the stuff from Dollarama.
Yeah, you're dissing.
A nail polish, olive
Wow.
green. I love the color. You know what it's called?
Yeah, matte green.
It's called Green Goddess. Fitting. Because I'm a goddess. Thanks, babe. Cute. It matches your shirt right now. A giant Kinder Surprise egg. Does it have a toy in it? It does.
A giant toy.
I love Kinder chocolate. It's probably my favorite chocolate of all time. Thank you so much. I'll build this so you guys can see what toy is inside. Do you think I could eat this all in one go?
Absolutely not.
I think I can.
I don't think you could.
Challenge accepted. More chocolate.
Kinder.
You know me well. Ooh, what is this though? I don't think I've ever tried this.
And chocolate balls.
Yeah, little eggs, Kinder eggs. Okay, wait, these are the best chocolates I don't think I've ever tasted. What's this? A mask, moisturizing mask. How did you know I needed moisturizing? I literally.
Your face is dry all the time.
Yeah, because of Accutane. Moisturizing was the right one. Thank you, babe. I'll use this tonight. What do we got next? Are you kidding me? Wait a second. Are these nipple covers? I didn't know that you even knew what nipple covers were. So what was your thought process buying these?
I know what nipple covers are.
You do?
You've used the dresses with them.
Yeah, you're right. All right, thank you. Sanitizer.
Wow.
Okay, necessary. And this is the good brand, Purell. I feel like every other knockoff brand just smells weird, like
Yeah, they all
tequila.
stink.
And look at this interesting contraption to just hang it on anything. Nice. Bae cares about my health. Sanitizer. I feel something big in here. Can I grab that?
That's what she said. Don't grab the big thing yet.
Okay. A loofah. I have so many loofahs and like exfoliating products,
I haven't
but
seen them.
they're all hanging in the shower.
No, you need
Who
that.
do you live with? I low-key think you got this for yourself.
No.
You got it for yourself.
No, I didn't.
To scrub your butt. Okay, so this one goes with the last one. My favorite body scrub is the coconut one, you guys. This smells so good. Ah! How'd you remember my favorite body scrub?
I know, because I steal it.
You guys, if you need a new body scrub, get this one. It smells so good and it has little exfoliating beads in it, so it makes you so smooth, so soft. Now I have my loofah to use it with.
Thank God.
Next, hair clips. Cute. I literally have this one, a larger version of this one. Is that why you got it? Have you seen
If you
this?
think I knew that you had those, you're tripping.
So that's just a coincidence? So cute. We've been needing this.
I know.
Just when I think he doesn't listen to me when I complain, I always complain about needing a lint roller. Got me a lint roller.
2 of them.
Two lint rollers. I was worried you were gonna get me stuff that I would never use. The fact that it's actually practical stuff that I would have gone out and bought myself doesn't make me feel as bad for using my money. Eggies, Hershey's Eggies. Wait a damn minute. Oh, it's the white cookies and cream inside. I have never seen these before. Yeah, these look delicious. I'm about to eat so much chocolate tonight. Ooh, another sheet mask. Anti-aging facial. Are you trying to tell me something? Why are you laughing manically over there?
Getting old.
The audacity!
What is that, fish eggs on there? Caviar and pearl powder. That sounds so fancy. But I'm still offended.
Your wrinkles.
You need this. This is another mask, another hydrating sleep face mask. Watermelon and lavender extract. So I guess you leave this mask on your skin before bed. Oh, this is a Rimmel London Oh My Gloss lip gloss. I haven't tried this before. It looks really pretty.
I just picked out random things.
This is a good grab. This is like the perfect sheer pink shade too.
Oh
It's
my
so pretty.
God.
All right, well, if you want a cute, sheer, extra shiny lip gloss, Charles recommends Brilliant.
Use code Wolfie.
Wait, this is actually hella useful. A phone mirror and it's all bedazzled, all cute and glam. So you just stick this to the back of your phone case and you can check yourself out at any time. Last but not least, it feels enormous.
It's the big one.
Charles! I got him these for Christmas and I was so mad because I actually wanted to get them for myself. How did you find these? They're literally sold out everywhere.
Don't worry about it. I have my connects. They're literally sold out everywhere.
The fact that you found these. I've had these Beats headphones for so long and I always complain about them when I'm editing because they squish my head and give me headaches. These ones are a major upgrade. And they're sick looking. I was not expecting this. You killed it. This, I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot better than the mystery box I made for you. So that is everything in the mystery box. I am very happy with all of the items. We got a few of my favorite things, lots of chocolates, lots of face masks to have a nice bubble bath and spa. So all in all, an amazing mystery box. And thank you again to BetterHelp. Make sure to check out the link in the description if you need somebody to talk to. Make sure to take advantage of their services and that 10% off that they gave me for you guys. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Click this video if you haven't seen it yet and watch this one because you know you want to do a Sylvia Ganny marathon. Watch them all. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah. Bye.